Today, we're unboxing the sponge-free adjustable shower or curtain rod, a simple yet versatile home essential. It's made of high-quality thickened low-carbon steel, ensuring durability and rust-proof performance. Perfect for those who want an easy, drill-free installation. You can grab yours from Shopee or Lazada. I placed the shop link in the video description below. This extendable rod can be flexibly adjusted to your preferred length, so you're no longer limited by fixed sizes. The diamond pattern ends provides a strong grip, making sure it stays securely in place, no drilling or extra tools needed. And it's not just for showers. You can use this rod in wardrobes, balconies, and even clothing stores to hang or display items easily. Now let's put up these beautiful waterproof patio curtains I also got. Super easy to install, and they instantly add a touch of elegance to the balcony. The result? Absolutely stunning, aesthetic and practical. Highly recommended for anyone looking to upgrade their space effortlessly. Want to get yours? Check the shop link in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome finds.